Hello and welcome to finally a new video. I want to install Arch Linux on this laptop because I'm currently running Kubuntu, as you can see, and I want to try out Hyperland and KDE on Arch. I don't have a script for this video, so I will just try to make it a nice video and install it. So I'm gonna hook this laptop up to my capture card and start installing Arch on it.
Yeah, my mic was off the whole time before this, so there's a little part of microphone audio missing, but it's just booting, so nothing interesting happened. So yeah. A little hydration. Yeah, you're just gonna hear everything right now. For the first thing, I want to do pacman dash s dash syu, which synchronizes the database. It should be. Let me read the thing. IVCTL. IVCTL. Okay. I want to also use IVCTL. Is it easy? No. Then I'll just use the Ethernet only. Um, we just made it update. It says that there's not enough storage. That's not a problem. By updating it, it just synchronizes the databases which is needed to do this. Pacman-s to update arch install. It should just update this only package arch install, which we are now going to use by typing arch install. This utility should make it way easier to install Arch Linux. As you can see, I am installing it with English. Locales are fine to me. The mirrors and repos, I will select a region close to me, dot my exact region. Oh wait, yeah, Amsterdam is not a region. The Netherlands is. Um, should I add Belgium? No. This configuration, I will go to partitioning, best effort, because I'm too lazy to do things by myself the exact same. ext4, I don't want a separate home partition, and there we go. This is all set then. Swap, I will say no. Bootloader, grub, because I know that will work. Hostname is arch lab. Is that fine? Nah, just make it arch. Yeah. Authentication, I will use a user account. Add a user. Make it me. And add in a super secure password that I will change soon. And I don't even know if caps lock is turned on. Great. I hope I did it right. Otherwise I'll have to mess with it. For the profile I will go type desktop. And here we have all tiling window managers and desktop environments. I will be using Hyperland because I want to try that. And also add KDE Plasma because I'm used to that. So then I have something to fall back on. Graphics drivers should be fine. Yeah. Creator is fine. Type, yeah. Back. And then I think that I have to do something else in the mirrors and repos. Yeah. Optional repositories. You want to enable multi-lab that just adds a lot of things. For example, if you want to install Steam easily, you can use multi-lab and just pacman-syu or -s space Steam. Profile is done. Applications. I want to use Bluetooth because I have support for that, and audio I will use Pulse Audio. I don't know exactly what Pulse Audio does or Pipewire or whatever it said. Is it? Yeah, Pipewire. But I know that Pulse Audio should work, so that's why I'm choosing that. I will also add the Linux LTS kernel in hope that I can use that for graphics drivers to have more support, though the NVIDIA Novo open source things work fine for web browsing and that kind of stuff. But I will show that in a whole separate video going into this laptop itself later on, if I come to that ever. I will use Network Manager for my networking. Additional packages, I will just install Firefox already because it's just easy to have it already done. Firefox. Time zone, I should be fine with. Yeah. And enable NTP, and now I should be able to install it. Yeah, sure. I'm not gonna read through that. I don't even know what is gonna be most of the things. And I was just gonna install, and I will be back like in a few minutes talking when it's booted. I will speed up through the install. So, see you soon. Okay, so it's done installing. You could chroot into this install for configs, but I would not know what to do in there because I think everything is done. Meaning I will just reboot the system. So in a few seconds it should be, yeah, no display, and it's booting already. I hope that it's actually gonna display soon, like quickly, because it tends to glitch with my capture card. And there we are at the my USB, which I forgot to get out. But that's fine because we can just use boot x64 TFI and Arch Linux. And it's booting into the LTS and not the normal one. I don't know if it's separated from advanced options, but sure. It's booting. I might be talking too much, but that's not your problem because it's my video. Hyperland. Hyperland US. Just try normal Hyperland first. With the right login, of course. I should really change the password, but sure. And here we are. Hyperland is booted. I don't exactly know how to use everything on a laptop on Hyperland, but I know some shortcuts, like that this is menu and this is terminal. ls shows everything it should. And I will actually be doing what the thing says, super am, and get me, okay, it doesn't display. Give me a second. I'll have to replug the HDMI probably. And there we go. I will also be trying out KDE Plasma installed. And I should not be connecting my Wi-Fi actually, because if I do, then you can stalk me, and I don't want you to. So yeah. And KDE Plasma did boot actually. I'm still stalling a bit, I think, but because there's nothing. Display config maybe. Yeah, there's a lot of going on. And I don't know. Oh, that actually. Oh. Oh, wait. Reset. I should fix some settings, but I need everything to be a replica of everything. Keep. Oh, actually, this is other than when using it. It does actually not have a dock already, or something is glitching, but I think I need just to make a dock. But as you can see, KDE works, and Hyperland does. So at least I did successfully install Arch Linux, and I will be trying to trying to ping a server. And yes, internet is working. Cancel that. Yeah. And now this pops up, actually. So I think it's still configuring things in the background or something. But yeah, as you can see, it works. If you have any tips, ideas, anything for me, just let me know down in the comments. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!